They're going back to get the dog and to get change, and they're coming. Chad wanted to watch his car, and I was like, you can do that shit tomorrow. They had to go change.
Yeah. But he said something about buying it now.
They're not doing that. Call them.
Yeah, my phone's in your car.
Here.
I'm not worried about it.
Come on, Crimson. Come on. I am. Oh, shit. Yeah, sure. A what? Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, hello?
Oh! No, I thought you meant on this. No? Put in your cleavage.
It'll fall out, so I'm gonna have to hold it, but oh well.
Give it to Shalise. Sweet! Come on.
I tried calling Jeff, but he didn't answer, so make sure he calls for dates.
His
It's what? Shit! Damn it. What's wrong? What's wrong? Come on. What?
Oh shit. Hey Rusty. Hey buddy. Oh shit.
You know horses are the only animal I'm not allergic to.
Dad figured it's about trotting on a horse's beard. Huh? Sorry.
Hey, were you taking a beer break?
Love this butt. Go right ahead, Q. I need
Beer
some
break.
beer. I'll grab her a beer after shitting this up with me. You don't knock me back from over here?
No. No, yeah, I did up there. I got that on camera. Hey, you get a beer?
I have a beer. I asked you if you're gonna bring any.
I said yes.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I didn't bring any for you.
Oh no, here, just throw it.
I was gonna grab a
Really
four.
get all that on film?
Yep.
I want to see this shit.
Go on Facebook.
Chug it.
It's not open yet. I got horsehair all the damn thing.
Yeah, you're supposed to wipe that off first.
White horsehair on everything else.
I got white hair. Oh my god, that was in my mouth.
Hey Rusty, you drink beer?
Where did that come from?
Crimson. Come on, buddy, come here. Come here, Crimson. Crimson, come on. Come here. You thirsty, sweetie? Dummy. Why are you whipped from the knees down? Why are you whipped from the knees down?
I've been trying to tell you that for the last hour. I took a mud bath.
Was it really that deep?
It is where I went through to get Casper through.
Why? Why'd you have to get through Casper down? He can't go through the creek.
Say no to drugs. Look, Father.
You wouldn't go through the creek?
He wouldn't move.
So I had to
It
go
wasn't me. I was trying.
wet.
He said, fuck you. I'm not going anywhere. Since then, he's been through two huge puddles. And then
It didn't make me get off to do it. Once you get through the first one, I was fine.
what are you trying to do, dude? Are you trying to...
Hey, see if he's called you. I was like, does anybody want to go with me? And I was like, standing around looking at this room like, I think. From who? From who? From Josh?
No. Hell no.
She said, not he. Where are we going?
Tree, whatever.
Y'all can't ride with one hand?
Listen, bitch, I had to calm my nerves. About just came off a fucking horse.
I know, I saw it. It was funny as hell. All I saw was the horse's butt and Kristen's butt go up in the air.
I felt myself slide
I saw
on.
Kristen's butt. I didn't see the horse.
I latched onto his neck.
The horse did this number?
I was looking for
You used to live down here?
the horn to get here.
When? You know that white house right across the street? That's Jeff's old ex-girlfriend's house. Dotson Lane. And hi, my name is Shanice Snow.
Well, I lived on
Oh,
that
wait a minute,
north
mister.
of
Let's go all the way down here, around the world, and back around again to get from here to here.
I had to go to Jason Miner's house.
Oh, my God. No, it
We were talking about Bartlett
all the way
Airport.
down Black Road. It said turn on Merriweather.
We were talking about Bartlett
You're all the way
Airport.
down to 231, and you're trying to go to Troy.
What happens when I talk about
Well, you can
airplanes?
Go down to Gibson Road and take a ride on Gibson Road. It's like Gibson.
And then I got the instructions flip-flop.
And you could have just went straight. I tried to tell him when we did Woodley, I said turn right because Southern Road changes right there. Hey, we're going this way. All the way down to Polk. And all
Why
the
did
way
you have to follow me?
That was my bad.
See?
I told him no, to go down the
She said it was shorter going that way. Cheers, Q.
But I said four-way and take a right. I think it's
What? Why y'all follow me? Yep. Just go straight. If you're on a damn horse, you just go straight.
Well, we were following her. And she was talking on the phone, so.
Oh, I wish Tucker would do that. I bet if Tucker was way out here, it'd be okay. What was that? Look at him. Is that Jeff? Who's he? Is that the guy that...
Her ex who she's texting.
What the hell are you texting your ex?
Booty call.
Remember the girl, Heather? The girl I was in her wedding?
Yeah.
It's her brother. I swore up and down when I was in a wedding, I'm like, I'm not meeting somebody at a wedding. That is so cliche. Yeah. Kathy was left friends.
Oh shit, nice.
Hey, riding horse, big backseater.
Fuck, I swear to God.
So I went through the gate and went all the way to the left to the end. Oh shit, they're not here.
I think we just fed him.
And then I turned around and come all the way back.
I think he was eating food out of his mouth. I'm pretty sure there was some hay on the side of his mouth.
So we gonna camp back here or up at the house?
I don't care. Me too.
Like, right here.
My truck won't make it through all that. My truck won't make it through that. It won't make it through that.
My truck would make it through that, but it's not here.
Call Chad and someone bring it.
There's a little issue of there's no gas in my truck right now.
Oh. Where's
Otherwise, I would say grab my truck.
whose truck was that up front I saw? Put shit in his truck.
Where are we gonna have a fire?
All he's gotta do is bring the shit out here, we can get it back. Where? With what? With what? With what wood?
You got a chainsaw?
There's plenty of wood laying around the ground.
Wet wood, maybe.
What chainsaws are we
Yeah. You have an axe? In the trailer?
Oh, hey, by the way, I forgot to tell you.
Give us like 2 days.
Lagoon Park,
Start the fire.
there's a $100,000 grant to redo parts of the park,
Yeah.
and they're building a bicycle. They're building.
I closed the gate.
No, Jeff, he's on his way.
They're building a bicycle trail and a new walking trail.
Where?
Like a 5-mile long trail.
Where the park is at Lagoon?
Yeah,
Right there at that corner?
it's gonna be through the whole thing.
Through all that bamboo and shit?
Well, it's all getting cut down. Where
What?
the trail is, I mean, we got money to cut all that shit down.
We do?
Wait,
Well,
no.
the people who got the grant.
Where y'all going?
I don't know.
I got it. Already took it. Both. Is that really him?
Hey, you.
Let me go back there.
Me and her, right?
Shit, I already took one.
Well, take another one, damn it. Instagram.
I already did it on Instagram.
Take another one, damn it.
Driveway.
Ah! Fucker.
Well, I'm trying to be nice.
Crush the can, dude.
Try not to be.
Shut up.
I'm trying to bond with him here. Letting him get. He won't get loaded and want to stop eating.
Hey, get in the picture with them.
Oh, we're all three getting?
Can you do that?
That's how that works.
Jesus, Trimony.
Come on.
Any day now.
Oh, crap.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
That'd be a good one. Yeah, that'd be a good one. You gotta take another one.
Which is
Yeah,
always
I
a
didn't
good
put
one.
my hair down yet. Wait. I got 3 strands.
Oh no, I
Will it
look
do?
fat as hell.
Ah,
in that picture.
shit.
I'm sure I do.
Suck in.
Oh my god. Another one. Oh yeah. Do it like from. No, let's go from her side. But her horse's head over.
One,
Oh,
2.
oh.
Everybody sucking their gut. Curtis. 3.
Come on,
Take the
man.
damn picture.
Are you videoing?
No, it won't take the picture. What the hell?
Oh my god.
Nobody can hold their gut this long.
This is a photographer?
It's not me. It's the 1, 2. Stop playing with your titties. Oh, damn it, girl.
That move.
No, the other girl did. Oh shit, that's actually a good one. Stay.